Have you ever wondered if you could run a YouTube channel without showing your face or spending any money? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your own fully automated YouTube channel using only free AI tools. No budget, no problem. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Plan your channel niche and video ideas. First, open ChatGPT free. You don't even need the paid version. In the chat box, type something like, "Give me 10 YouTube video ideas about healthy recipes." ChatGPT will instantly list fresh ideas you can use. Take a moment to read through them and pick one that you like. I'm choosing 5 quick breakfast recipes for busy mornings. Step 2. Generate a complete video script. Next, ask ChatGPT to write a detailed script for your video. Just type, "Write a YouTube video script for 5 quick breakfast recipes for busy mornings in a friendly tone." ChatGPT will give you a full script you can tweak. If you want, you can edit sentences to make it sound more like you. Copy the final version to a text file. This will be your narration. Step 3. Convert your script to voice with 11labs free. Now, let's turn that text into a professional voiceover. Go to 11labs.io and create a free account. Once you're logged in, click Create Audio or Text-to-Speech. Paste your script in the text box. Choose one of the free voices. You'll find plenty that sounds clear and natural. Then hit Generate. In a few seconds, you'll get a high-quality audio file. Download it to your computer. Step 4. Create video slides and visuals in Canva free next. Head to canva.com, sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Click Create a Design and pick Video. Here, you can create slides to match your narration. For example, add photos of breakfast recipes, text captions, or animated elements. Use Canva's free templates to make everything look polished. Drag and drop your elements onto each slide. Step 5. Assemble your video inside Canva. Upload the voiceover audio you downloaded from 11labs. Align each part of the script with the matching slide or visual. Play it back to make sure your audio and visuals sync perfectly. If anything feels off, just drag the timing bars to adjust. When you're happy with it, click Download Video. Step 6. Make an eye-catching thumbnail in Canva. Before you upload, you need a thumbnail that gets clicks. In Canva, click Create a Design, then YouTube Thumbnail. Pick a bright, bold template. Add a short title like 5 breakfast hacks. Include a clear image of food to attract viewers. Download your thumbnail when you're done. Step 7. Upload and optimize your video. Finally, open YouTube and upload your video. Add your title, description, and tags. Upload the thumbnail you just made. For best results, include keywords in your title and description so people can find you. And that's it. You've just created a complete YouTube video script, voiceover, visuals, and thumbnail using only free AI tools. No fancy software, no budget, and no stress. Whether you're starting a side hustle, growing a brand, or just having fun, this is one of the easiest ways to build an automation channel today. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to AIChief for more tutorials and AI hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.